In this video, we will learn about friction in fluids. Any substance that can flow is called a fluid. Since all gases and liquids can flow, they are called fluids. So that means we can write that fluid will be liquids and gases. Now, whenever an object moves through a fluid, that means air, water, or any other gas or liquids, it experiences friction offered by fluid called drag. So in the diagram, you can see this is the friction by air and this is the friction by water in the diagram. Now, fishes and birds which have their natural habitats as water and air have naturally streamlined bodies. The wings of birds also have a streamlined shape. So we can write that in the diagram, the shape of the fish is a streamlined body shape. Now, we will perform an activity to show friction due to air. The materials required for this will be a sheet of newspaper. So what will be the procedure? Hold 1/4 sheet of a newspaper and drop it without applying any force on it. Observe how the paper falls downwards. Now crush the paper and roll it into a ball as compact as possible. Now drop exactly as earlier. What do you observe? Now let's go to the observation and conclusion. The sheet of paper sways sideways while falling down and takes longer time as compared to the ball of paper. This is because the newspaper had a larger surface area in contact with the air around it. Thus, a large friction was exerted on it due to air. On the other hand, when paper was crushed in the form of a ball, the surface area was much reduced, and so was the effect of friction. So, this was the normal paper and it had the large surface in contact with the air, and that means it has the large amount of friction. On the other hand, the ball had the small surface in contact with the air and it would have small amount of friction applied on it. Let's perform another activity to show that water or any liquid exerts friction. Materials required for this activity will be a coin, a table and water. So what will be the procedure? Take a coin and keep it on the tabletop. Hit it with your finger. Could you move it? Now spill half a teaspoon of water on the tabletop and put the coin over it. Hit it again. What happened? Did the coin move? So let's come to the observation. The coin moves smoothly on the dry tabletop and goes to a longer distance. When water is spilled on the tabletop, the coin moves slowly and goes a shorter distance. So what will be the conclusion? That this activity describes that water exerts friction on a body that moves through it. So we can write here that the coin on the wet surface moves slowly due to friction. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.